Sellercloud helps you handle all of your dropshipping. To dropship an order, you need to go to Orders and choose Manage Orders. Search for your order and click on the order ID. On the order details page, you need to go into the Actions menu and choose Manage Dropship. Choose the dropship order type and click on the next page. Select Company and Vendor. Enter the vendor order ID and click on the flag icon. After the status updates, click on the envelope icon to send a PO to the vendor. The PO is attached as a PDF automatically. On the right side is the body of the email. You can also create templates and select them from the drop-down menu here. Click Send. From here, you can go back to the order details page and click on the shipping status of your order. After the vendor sends confirmation, you can ship your order. Simply enter the tracking number and shipping details. The order's status will be updated, and the tracking number will be posted to the appropriate channel. To dropship multiple orders, you simply need to go into the Manage Orders once again, and select all orders you want to dropship. Go into the Action menu in the right-hand corner, and click on Dropship. Select the company and vendor and choose the orders you want to dropship. Click the envelope to send an email for each PO. When an order is dropshipped, the inventory levels are restored because the item is actually not leaving your warehouse. There are times, however, when it's advisable not to replenish your inventory. To reduce the risk of dropshipping unavailable items, you can create a separate warehouse with the inventory allowed by the vendor. Go into the Purchasing menu, click on Vendors, and select Manage Vendors. Enter the vendor name into the filters, and click Search. Click the toolbox on the vendor's details page and search for dropship preferences. Click on Edit. Check the Do Not Count Inventory for Dropship PO checkbox, and save your preferences. To change the dropship preferences for a product, you need to go into the Catalog menu and click Manage Catalog. Select your SKU and go to the Product Details page. Click on the toolbox and search for Shipping Preferences. Click on the Edit button and select your dropship preferences. When orders are fulfilled by a third party, either dropship vendor or 3PL, you may be asked to forward actual labels to the fulfillment center. To print shipping labels for an order, you need to go back to the Order Details page, click on the Actions menu, and select Print Shipping Label. Fill in all the necessary fields and click Generate Label. A PDF will be generated for printing or emailing to the appropriate party. After generating the label, the order will be updated to status fully shipped, and a tracking number will be generated.